a year. What a year. You got to see it again. 35-5, setting an American League record, 17 consecutive games in a row that we won. So proud to be a part of that special group and be able to reminisce for a night very special. There was one man, and there was others, but really in my mind, there was one man that was responsible for putting this together. Sparky, we love you. I'll turn it over to you, but this would not have been done without you teaching us how to play baseball the right way. Thank you.
This city will be back again, I promise you. This is a great sports town. It will come back. And this little guy over here is bringing it back. Believe me, he's already been there once. He's done here already in 3 years what you could ask anybody to do. And this guy over here and the other guy, take a look at these two guys and see two of the very best in the business. You don't see two guys walk onto the field like Ron and like the great Jimmy. And I thank you so much. It's a pleasure to watch both of y'all play. And I thank you fans for the way you have supported sports. I thank Mr. Illich and Dave Dombrowski for putting this together. I can't thank them enough for putting all these people together. I'll never get to see all of them together again, so I thank you so much for this.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's once more give a round of applause to this big team.